हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू iExamB। एम्ब्रेस द iExamB लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस। आरआरबी का नोटिफिकेशन आउट हो चुका है। द रिक्रूटमेंट ऑफ ऑफिसर्स फॉर वेरियस स्केल्स एंड ऑफिस असिस्टेंट, फाइनली द notification is out. Let's look into the details. This is the recruitment PDF. You can download this from the description below. Common recruitment process for recruitment of officers for scale 1, 2 and 3 and office assistants multipurpose in regional rural banks. Online registration starts from 7th of June and will go up to 27th of June. The conduction of pre-exam training is from 22nd of July to 27th of July. Coming to the other details, for the post of officer scale 1 and office assistant, the exam will be in two tier. Online examination will be held in two phases. There will be prelims and mains examination. For the post of office assistants, जो भी candidates prelims exam में appear होंगे, shortlist होने के बाद उनको mains exam में appear होना पड़ेगा, and then on the basis of mains examination, they will be provisionally allotted. There is no interview for assistant post. Then for officer scale 1 post, candidates who qualify in prelims will appear for mains. Then they will be shortlisted for interview and accordingly they will be posted after interview. For officer scale 2 and scale 3, there will be single level examination and then there will be a common interview, and after that they can be allotted. Coming to eligibility criteria, for office assistant post, for group B post, age should be between 18 and 28 years. For officer scale 1, age should be above 18, below 30 years. For officer scale 2, above 21, below 32. For officer scale 3, above 21 and below 40 years of age. This age is mentioned as on 1st of June 2024. So you should be eligible within the age limit as on June 1st, 2024. The relaxation is also mentioned. You can check this out from the notification PDF. Then coming to other eligibility conditions related to education qualification and experience. For office assistant multipurpose, bachelor degree in any discipline from recognized university or its equivalent, there should be proficiency in local language and working knowledge of computer is desirable. For officer scale 1 assistant manager, bachelor's degree in any discipline from recognized university, preference will be given to candidates having degree in agriculture, horticulture, forestry. इन सभी streams के students को preference दी जाएगी. For officer scale 2 general banking officer, that is for manager post in general banking stream, bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent with minimum 50% marks in aggregate, preference will be given to candidates belonging to these streams. And there is a mandatory experience 2 years as an officer in a bank or financial institution. Then coming to other specialist officer posts, scale 2, for information technology officer, bachelor degree from recognized university in electronics, communication, computer science, information technology with minimum 50% marks. Desirable are these certifications and knowledge of language. 1 year mandatory experience is there in the relevant field. For chartered accountant, certificate associate from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, 1 year experience is mandatory. For law officer, degree from recognized university in law or its equivalent with minimum 50% marks. 2 years experience as an advocate or as law officer in banks, financial institution is mandatory. For treasury manager, chartered accountant or MBA, 1 year experience is mandatory. For marketing officer, MBA in marketing, 1 year is mandatory experience. Agricultural officer के लिए bachelor degree in agriculture, horticulture, dairy, animal husbandry, forestry, veterinary science, agriculture engineering, pisciculture from a recognized university with a minimum 50% marks, and 2 years experience is mandatory. For scale 3 position, bachelor degree in any discipline with minimum 50% marks. Preference will be given to all these streams. Minimum 5 years of experience as an officer in bank or financial institution. All education qualification mentioned should be as on 27th of June 2024. Coming to the exam pattern, online exam structure. For assistant, preliminary exam will consist of reasoning and numerical ability. There will be 40 questions in each subject of 40 marks. There is a composite time of 45 minutes. The prelims examination for officer scale 1 will also have only reasoning and quantitative aptitude. 40 questions होंगे हर section में, 40 marks के, composite time is 45 minutes. Then coming to mains examination for office assistants multi-purpose post, these are the 5 subjects that a student has to appear for. Reasoning, computer knowledge, general awareness, English या हिंदी में से एक subject, numerical ability. There are 40 questions in every subject. कंप्यूटर नॉलेज इज ऑफ 20 मार्क्स. इसके अलावा रीजनिंग 50 मार्क्स की है, जनरल अवेयरनेस 40 मार्क्स का है. इंग्लिश या हिंदी में से जो भी सब्जेक्ट आप चूज करेंगे वो 40 मार्क्स का होगा. न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी 50 मार्क्स की होगी. टोटल 200 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ 200 मार्क्स. कॉम्पोजिट टाइम इज 2 आवर्स. फॉर ऑफिसर स्केल 1 अगेन 5 सब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे 40 क्वेश्चन है हर सब्जेक्ट में. उसी तरीके से डिवाइडेड है, कंप्यूटर 20 मार्क्स का है, रीजनिंग और क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड 50 मार्क्स का है, जनरल अवेयरनेस इंग्लिश या हिंदी में से कोई एक सब्जेक्ट आपका 40 मार्क्स का है, 2 आवर्स का कॉम्पोजिट टाइम है. Then coming to single level examination for general banking officer and for specialist post. For general banking officer there are 5 subjects: reasoning, computer, financial awareness, English या हिंदी में से एक, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. हर सब्जेक्ट में 40 क्वेश्चंस हैं, कंप्यूटर 20 मार्क्स का है, रीजनिंग और क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड 50 मार्क्स का है, बाकी सब 40 मार्क्स के हैं. फॉर ऑफिसर स्केल टू स्पेशलिस्ट पोस्ट देर आर 6 सब्जेक्ट्स. प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज भी ऐड हो गया है. प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज के 40 क्वेश्चंस हैं, रीजनिंग, फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हिंदी, कंप्यूटर, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, इंग्लिश या हिंदी में से कोई एक सब्जेक्ट. हर सब्जेक्ट में 40 क्वेश्चंस हैं. इंग्लिश, हिंदी और कंप्यूटर 20 मार्क्स का है, बाकी सब 40 मार्क्स के हैं. कॉम्पोजिट टाइम इज 2 hours 30 minutes. So this is the exam pattern. There is a negative marking present. 1/4 negative marking is present for every wrong answer that you have marked. Now coming to the number of vacancies, there are a lot of vacancies this time for assistant for scale 1 post. Here if you see for assistant post, multi-purpose post, there are more than 5,000 vacancies. Around 5,585 vacancies are there for office assistant post. Coming to your officer scale 1, for this you have more than 3,000 vacancies, somewhere 3,499 vacancies are there for officer scale 1. So there are a lot of vacancies, many opportunities for you lined up in this recruitment. For officer scale 2, for specialist also there are many vacancies this time. You can check out the other details, you can check out the banks which have reported these vacancies from this recruitment PDF. Now here if you have any queries, you can write them down in the comment below. You can also reach out to us on this number mentioned on the screen. At iExamB, we offer online courses for preparation of all these exams. So you can check out our courses and start your preparation. That's all for now. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.